In this video, you'll learn how to delete your Snapchat account permanently. This is going to be an OBS tutorial. Hey, I'm Dr. Niki. I talk about all things personal branding and making money online. And me and my team, I have 2 video editors. We try to upload over 2 videos every single day for your value. If you appreciate it, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video because it really helps me out with the YouTube algorithm. And you know what? I'll shout your Snapchat account, Instagram account, TikTok account, whatever in the comment section down below. I'll just take it, put it in the shout out jar and shout you out in one of the next videos just like this. Okay, so here's how it works. You go on Snapchat and you're probably wondering what are all these menus in this weird person I'm seeing. It's actually you, but at the same time you gotta click on this Discover tab, and from there you click in the left corner right here on your face. And here you would go and click the settings bar. And there you go down below and you will try to find the function or the option I need help. Click I need help and you should click it too if you want to go ahead with that. Accept the cookies because you don't want that ruining your user experience. Then my account and security, then account security, and then tap on delete my account, and there you click on how to delete your account. And here if you just type in your name and password, what it says is after 30 days your account will be deleted. So you do that, wait 30 days and it's gone. Boom, and it's gone. If this video helped you out, make sure you give it a like. If you're new, subscribe. Remember that video takes the doctor away. By the end of this video, make sure you check this video or this video out. See you next one. Bye.